How to fix Cash App card decline. In order to fix decline Cash App card, first of all, you want to check the balance and transaction history in the app. So ensure you have enough funds in your Cash App balance to cover the purchase amount, as this is a common reason for decline as well. Next, you can just go to the activity tab in your Cash App to see the specific reason for decline and whether any additional information is needed or not. Next, you also want to make sure the card number, expiry date, CVV, and a billing address saved in the app are correct. You could confirm that your physical or a virtual Cash App card has been activated and is not currently paused in the app. So, Cash App cards tab as well. And likewise, you could also try updating your Cash App. So, go to your respective app store and update the app to the latest version as well. However, if the issue still persists on, it could also be due to the poor connectivity. So you might want to check your internet connection as well. And in some cases, it could be a server issue as well. So you could just check whether there is any sort of issue within the server as well. So this way, you should be able to fix your card decline error or card decline issue with the Cash App. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.